bluebird sings a song so free, soaring high above the sea, with no cage and no decree, living life so heedlessly. Morning sun wakes up the sky, bluebird spreads its wings to fly. Every moment's do or die, gleaming like a firefly. Bluebird, show me how to live, chase the dreams that you forgive, teach me ways that you outgive, beaming like a firefly. Bluebird, show me how to live, chase the dreams that you forgive, teach me ways that you outgive, in your world so primitive. Skies of blue and clouds of white, bluebird dances in the light. In the dark it shines so bright, guiding stars through endless night. Freedom's call, a sweet ballet, bluebird never lost its way. In a wild and fearless way, night to day and back to day. Bluebird, where do you find peace? Tell me how you find release from the world and its caprice, living with such bold increase. Freedom's call, a sweet ballet, bluebird never lost its way. In a wild and fearless way, night to day and back to day.